We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up EUR, AUD. We are in a monthly time frame. Price action. Last candle to the right hand side is a bullish green candle. We do have price action overall, higher highs. Price action overall, lower lows, followed up with the midpoint. Also adding second level lows, third level lows, second level highs, and third level highs. So let's zoom into price. Price action monthly time frame reading as a bullish green candle. Could be pushing up from a pattern, also receiving a break of a major SR line. Current price is sitting at 1.57517. So if price work its way up, it can tag that resistance line at 1.67520. Before tagging that area, it can tag that midpoint at numbers of 1.62776. If price reverses, break through the support, heads down to the next level, it can head down to that white level SR line at 1.47264. And before tagging that area, it can tag that midpoint, which will be the support of the second, third, last candle in the market, sitting at 1.52076. So if this market pushes up further, we got the pattern right in front of us below price. So we do see that overall first, second, third, fourth retest market is breaking a level. So we're looking for the price may push a little further. We may get the retest as we walk down the time frame. We're at a way for that market to identify first, second, third, fourth retest, one retest, and then we'll get to second push. If market drops down, it's dropping down from what's happening at the high. So we have a single top. So market did spike that area, single top. It may read as a double top and a retest on the lower time frame because we got two pushes to the top. This bearish red candle is a doji, so it's retesting the previous two candles. But so far on this time frame monthly, we see a single top. Market identified a triple retest, and then price action is retesting that triple retest. So we have a break, we apologize, we have a push, market came down, break, retest, and we can see that it did jump to the opposite side. And this is why we can see that market does push up. It also can be coming from an area here, because that's be overall spike downs in decline double bottom, which will be identified as first, second, third, fourth retest one. So market's trying to identify a pattern of a left shoulder, single right shoulder, double left shoulder, single right shoulder, and we have a double bottom. So we have that overall double left shoulder. We can see the head, double head, and then we have a single right shoulder. Market's trying to push out that area. Altogether, double bottom and retest or triple bottom. So there's a lot of patterns in this chart. Walking down to the weekly time frame. So price action on the weekly time frame reading as a bullish green doji. That's a retest and with some momentum to push, but it's still within that second last candle, so it's consolidating slightly, but there's a chance it can push up. Why? Because that price action candle wick is above the previous wick. Price action body is above the previous body. We're just looking for the closeout to see if that market is going to push up. If not, it can still consolidate sideways. It just be a little bit of momentum in that lower time frame, identify a break, a little bit slight break retest, and a close consolidation after that break. So if that market pushes up on this weekly time frame, we have patterns inside patterns once again. So pulling back, we see that overall first, second, third, fourth retest, market pushing up, retest. So far, we're going to see if it pushes up again for that same time. We don't see the retest on the weekly time frame, but that price action wick, that spike in the support is the retest, and we'll see that in the on the lower time frame. And if that market does drop from this area, it can be declined at this area if it drops down with the bearish square candle to go back through that support line, which will identify the overall first, second, third. Market drops down from that double top. Walking down to the daily. On the daily time frame, we have price action as a bearish red candle. So this is just full consolidation. The second last candle is the retest, just like how we seen that large doji on the weekly time frame. So what this market did overall in this area was pushed up, came back to retest with the second last candle. Also had momentum with that second last candle to push up to that midpoint area and consolidate sideways. Walking down to the 4-hour time frame. So now we're on a 4-hour time frame. We know that we are near a zone. So we're going to go a little bit above, a little bit below. Let's take a look at what's going on. So we can see that price has broke through the zone, came back to retest that zone, and identify that pattern for that first, second, third. Market went back to the zone, still made the spike down with the low areas here, and the market's pushing back out for that double bottom. That's why we see price action is a bearish red candle. Second last candle lost momentum, so it could be coming back for a retest because it broke through the zone. So we're probably looking for another break, a retest, and for that market to push up. That market does not have to do a full retest to that top of that zone. It can retest the midpoint, or it can just consolidate with that side by side at that high. So it has 3 different levels to drop down to, unless it goes back into the zone. And we're going to see if it's going to create that momentum to push back up or push up further after the retest. Walking down to 3-hour time frame, price action, 3-hour time frame, bearish red candle. If this market drops down, we look at the decline of this area. Bearish red engulfing to the third last candle, which identify the overall first, second, third, fourth retest. Market dropping down from a triple top or a double top and a retest. Headed down to the 2. So let's zoom in the price. 2-hour time frame, 2-hour time frame price action, bearish red candle, side by side with the price second, third. So that market just consolidating. If it start breaking, we're looking for the engulfment to that third last candle body and wick to drop that market down further. If that market does decline too from this area here, so let's say we do receive that rejection, is because that pattern to the left hand side, and let's talk about that on the 1-hour time frame, should be identified as a first, second, third, fourth retest. Market came down, so we have a triple top. Market came back to retest that triple top and can drop down for the, because we know we coming from the break of the market retest and see if that market's going to push up. So we're going to break down the areas below price and above price to that high to see what's going on. So it would be, we have that resistance, we have that mid, and the top of that zone is that low. So market broke, tagged the top of that resistance, and then look like it's headed back down to the midpoint. You gotta remember, there's second level highs within this area, so if it respects, it comes up, and if so, identify a double bottom. We'll talk about that in 30 minutes. So if it's a double bottom, you identify the break, the retest, which would be first, second, third, and market's coming up from that W, but still overall retest, overall consolidation sideways. 15-minute time frame, bearish red candle, came back to that second level highs, hasn't broken yet. Same as the 5-minute time frame, spiked the bottom, top of that resist support. We're gonna see if it's gonna push up. So far, side by side with that doji, so market's consolidating on top of that SR line. Market broke, retest, consolidating sideways, still reading the same thing as we walk down. Bearish red candle, so it can come back for another retest. So it'll be market spike down, pushed up for a retest, spike down again, and it can push back out. Okay guys, very important information. Please review Forex pattern cheat sheet, breakout retest strategy. Click on images. Okay guys, EUR AUD.